Hello friends and welcome to this video. My name is Shahab. In this video I want to speak about I have custom mappings in the AUA framework. Let me open the service here. Here we have StudentDto, okay, and we can send data as a DTO to the UI, but it is not enough, and I want to send data as a custom view model, okay, and also needs some data from the other tables. For example, in the student table here I have some students and some teachers inside the teacher table, and this is the table which based on this many-to-many relationship is connected, is built. I want to get some information from those students that are in relation with these teachers. First of all, I need to create a view model. I will call it student VM. This student VM can be inherited from base VM. And also I have custom mapping here. I have custom mappings. And the implementation. I need to use CreateMap. I want to create map from student to student VM. Those fields that are same in their names will be mapped by default. But I want those teachers that this student has in relation with them. I mean, I want the count of the relation that this student has inside the student teacher table. I mean here. Okay, so I need another member to create this mapping. And then I need to use for member here, which member p.student teacher count. And I want to create a map for this with map from. Student teachers dot count. Well, by this mapping I have the number of the records. Well, also I want to show the teachers' names. For this purpose I need another member. And a new config for this member. teacher.firstname, c.teacher.lastname. Okay, and this is the name of those teachers that are in relation with that student. Beside all of these, we can here have nested mappings. If you remember, in previous sessions we have created this teacher combo VM, and this VM was mapped from the entity of teacher. Okay, I want to use this inside student VM. And for this new member, teacher combo, I just passed the object of teacher to this combo. This configuration is in one way. If based on your situation you needed to make it as two-way, you need just to make a copy and replace these two with each other. And finish. It is now in two-way. Here you are mapping student VM from student, and the vice versa here. Well, the next step is inside the services. Inside the student service, public async task, student VM. I will call it get student VMs async. Return await get all, and here I want to convert it to a student VM from mapper instance and the final step is inside the controller of student, which is inside the areas and here. The verb here is get. Oh, I forget to make it signature, sorry. Here I need to put it inside the interface. Well, and here get student VMs async, and it will return create success result, and the result here is student VMs. Well, before running this, let me show you the tables. This is the student of this is the table of the student. Student ID 7, first name, last name, and about the two other students. And this is the teacher table with these names, first names and last names. And this is the student teacher table. Here student ID of 7 has 3 teachers, has in relation with 3 teachers, and student ID of 9 is in relation with 2 other teachers. And now here well, let me push F10. Okay, the result is here. 3 student is returned for me, which is true. Here we have 3 students, and these 3 students, the student with ID of 7 has 3 relation inside the teacher-student table. Yes, the student of ID 7 has 3 relation. And also here is the student teacher combo VM with its details. And the other student, which is the student ID of 8, has no relation. Let me check it. It is true, there isn't any student ID of 8, and 9 has 2 relation. Student ID of 9 has 2 relation, and this is the names of those teachers. Well, continue, and those information here. It returns 200, its success is true, there is no error, and the result is which I have presented to you. Well, thank you for watching. This was about the IHaveCustomMappings. In the future videos I will make some other complicated samples for these 2 method mappings inside the AUA framework. See you on the next videos.